Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I am going to be unboxing pom-poms. I'm assuming that's what it is. I'm looking at the address. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Because I forgot. When did she ship this? Let me just check so it was on October the 2nd. So it took about 10 days. Not bad. Okay, so I found this lady again on Facebook. People were asking, where did you buy your pom-poms? And then they put her Instagram page. So I went to her Instagram page. Everyone was highly recommending. So I asked her. She was selling for 3 pom-poms for 10 Canadian dollars. I'm sorry, American dollars. So I said, let's see what they are. So I'm going to be dumping them, and you guys are going to look at it. Okay, let's see how they are. Oh my! Look at the colors. Oh wow! Okay, so she made these. Oh wow, nice, eh? So I ordered 1, 2, 3. So 2 of this, I guess. They look like different colors. This one's way bigger. Okay, so this one's way bigger than this one. Okay, so I am going to be making hat, and I will add these pom-poms. I can't remember how much I paid, but I paid. So these were 3 for 10 American. And these white ones were 3 for 10. So 20, 30, and I believe these were 14. And plus shipping, of course. She had I think the shipping was $13, I believe. Doesn't say how much here. But yeah. So it says I paid about 50 American dollars. Okay, and then she added these. Thank you. Her business card. Her name is Karen. You can see. I usually order through Amazon, but they're so small. I'm just going to bring them and compare it to so you can see the idea. Oh. Give palms a good shake. Use a slightly warm blow dryer and then brush. Yeah, definitely. And then she put these. So they're handmade, so I'm supporting, small businesses. She doesn't have an Etsy shop because Etsy charges so much fees, right? Nice. I don't even have to blow dry them. Look. Let me bring the ones that I buy from Amazon. Like, they're so tiny. I know they're not that expensive, right? Oh, this is really nice. Let me bring you the ones that I buy from Amazon, and you guys can get the idea. Okay, so here is a bag that I've been hoarding, let's say it that way. So these are the ones that I bought from Amazon. Like when you go to Amazon, you can see, but they're not that big. That's what I'm trying to say. There's no way that I can shake this and compare it. So this is the one that I bought from Karen. I will put her Instagram page, because if you live in the United States of America, it will cost you less. See how fluffy hers are? And I'm shaking this one. See, it's not like when you compare it. Can you see the comparison? Like, these are not real fur. They're fake. But look at the quality of hers, see? And look at this one. I have to blow dry this. So I wanted to show you the comparison. Okay, and then the neons, they only sell them like this. They're so tiny though. It says they're about 4 inch. Look, Look how tiny they are. It's like they're useless for babies, for baby hats. So I am really happy with my buy, and yeah, I just wanted to share it. Okay, so stay tuned for my Centro that I purchased from AliExpress, and we will make a hat together. See, isn't this nice? Think about it. If we blow dry this, how it will look like. This is fantastic. Really, really good quality compared to this. Like, I can't even, I need to blow dry this, and it's not even, see, these I bought from AliExpress. But they're not good quality. And here are my 100% fur. I didn't know they arrived. See, these are 100%. And then I bought white. I think these are rabbit. Or maybe they're not. Who knows? They look like they're real. Yeah. I just wanted to share you my unboxing for the pom-poms, and I would definitely go buy from her. And I would highly recommend. She was super nice, professional, and yeah. So stay tuned for my Centro unboxing. Oh, I'm having a thrill day today with unboxing. I can't wait to open the Centro. I started with the yarn, and then I started with the pom-pom because I don't want my video to be long. Then the quality gets low on the video. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Happy knitting, happy crocheting.